What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So, today, finally, January is over. Honestly, the whole month of January, I've just been getting stopped out by a tick, just press been chopping around. Wow, I'm just glad it's over. Anyway, as you guys know, yesterday I lost. Even though I backtested this month yesterday, and actually, I would have won even though it was a shit month and I've been getting stopped out by a tick. I would have still ended up green on the month if I was just to follow rules. But that was in the beginning where I crashed out in a way. But right now, the whole month still, my risk was perfect, so I'm very glad about that. I've been risking and not over risking and not over trading. The only problem was I switched the strategy a little bit in the beginning, but then I was okay. Anyway, technically, as of right now, we have a new month, so finally I can start making some good profit. I already, like I said, backtested February, and it's a pretty nice month. All right. Technically, this week, even though I'm pretty much red on the week, it should have been a good week. Monday, like I know, I got a break even, right? But now, here, let me just rephrase it. I'll be looking for trades from 9:45 to 10. After 10, it's honestly just slow and choppy, so I don't care about that. So I have a 15-minute window where I can look for trades every single day. Second of all, there's no break even, either full TP or stop loss, right? Perfect. So anyway, technically, Monday should have been a winning day. 27, 28, no trade days, and trade of 8 was down 28. 29, winning day, and today, technically, if I'm respecting my rules and everything, losing day. I'll show you guys why. So still, I would have made profit on the week. But anyway, yesterday, the reason I lost, I need to keep it simple. Asia high and low, previous day high and low, London high and low. That's it. What did I do yesterday was I started marking some sell sides, right? That I was looking for potential reversal. But no, I'll keep it simple. If we inverse the previous day high and low, which is like super important, then I'll just follow the trend. So for this case, continuation to the downside and would have won. But it's okay. Today, look at those candles, guys. Here, I'll just mark this. Replay. Okay. Okay, let me just get out, leave, replay. Perfect. So market open, bang, we sweep London low, London high, sorry. Then we go down. All right, let's wait. Let's keep on building context until macro opened. Perfect. Macro opened, we actually open below London high. So as of right now, we made this gap right there. We created, sorry, this gap and this gap right there, right? So now, 9:45, if we come back, I'll actually take it. Now, normally, you guys know I place my stop loss at, like, example, the body, but the whole January I've been getting cooked for this reason, so I place it at the recent swing high, swing low, right? Does it make sense to take it? Yeah. All right, so let's see what price does. Right there, 9:49 is where I entered, and guess what, guys? I actually placed my stop loss exactly here, 140. I guess I should have placed it here, but then it's way too much points, honestly. Here is perfect. In case price wants to go deeper in the second fair value gap, perfect, right? 1 to 2, made sense because we have all those lows right there. But no, I ended up getting stopped out. Perfect. I'm like, all right. But still, everything makes sense, right? So I was like, all right, that's minus 250. Now there's this trade right there. I'm like, it's still aligned and we should go down. We honestly should. Same thing I did here. But my stop loss was there. The most recent high, right? 1 to 2. It does make sense. We have this low right there, right? I got filled at 9:55, and finally I can see some TP in 1 week. Some green, I mean to say. So anyway, we ended up flashbang. I don't know why TradeSync doesn't actually sync to perfection, but it doesn't matter. So around $200 on each account. So now my TPTs, we're looking very good on TPTs. We're basically break even on them, 50Ks, right? So I'm minus like maybe 50. So that's very good. Tradeify, I'm okay. Monday I can risk 500, and if I lose I still have a trade for 250. So that's really good for Tradeify. 48, 800, 800, 48. And this is basically back to break even. I just need 200 on it. So that's really good. Now the trades. That was the first trade that I took right there. Stop loss exactly where I said, got stopped out. Second trade exactly like I said, stopped out, not stopped out, but the execution is here and I hit TP with it. And then everything was done before 10. So that's why I was saying technically today was an L day, because if I was on my actual live funded, I would have taken one trade and one trade only. But yeah, finally this month is over. I've been getting stopped out. I mean, you guys heard it by a tick multiple times this entire month, and it's just making me go crazy, right? But anyway, January is over, February is coming. Time to start printing. I just need to pass all these accounts, meet the buffer, intraday buffer on TPT, but doesn't matter. Either it's gonna hit TP or stop loss. That's it. From there, start stacking payouts. And you guys know when I stack payouts, they come bang, 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 bang. So it's gonna be pretty crazy. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys Monday, unless I do a FX replay video, right? So yeah, see you guys.